welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how the iPhone 16 Pro Max is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Crate 42 scanned and logged.
Confirmed. Send it down.
Handling. The iPhone 16 Pro Max logic board is built with unparalleled precision on these massive SMT lines. Robotic
Placement accuracy is stable at 99.8%.
Good. The reflow temperature peaked within tolerance. We are clear for the next batch.
Every component is tested and calibrated for accuracy.
Every device is checked before leaving the facility.